Okay, friends, I've got the Thermal Cinch on my desk and I'm so excited. I can't wait to share all the details with you. So let's unbox this thing. I got the teal one, but there's also a pink one, so you can get whichever one you like. This is a thermal binding machine, so you can make what they call perfect bound books. So in the box, obviously, we've got the machine, and it's just a beautiful machine. Let me turn it around so you can see. I love the colors. I like that's the two-tone mint and teal. That's the classic We Are look. So there's that. And then it also comes with some spines. You get 3 spines and you get a book clip to kind of hold your papers together. So let's take a look at those. These spines are 12 inches, but you can cut them down to fit your project. So here's your book clip for holding your pieces together or your pages together. So you've got 3 spines here. They're 12 inches long and they're beautiful colors. You've got some neutral and some classic We Are colors. And this is where you're gonna stick your pages and covers and bend this over them. But you can cut these down to fit whatever project you have. So then it also comes with instructions and they've got plenty of pictures. So you can get all the information you need. But here's my favorite part. Let's make a project. All right, so we're gonna turn the power on, open up the dust cover, and while that's heating, it takes about 2 minutes, I'll get my book ready. So I've cut my spine down to match the size of my book. So you get about a 1/4 inch thick book with these spines, which means about 25 sheets of cardstock and maybe 50 sheets of copy paper. And you've got your covers on, and then you're just gonna lay this down onto the adhesive right at the edge of your spine. And then we're just going to peel off this part here. And you can see the glues right there, and that's what's gonna hold all the pages together. So then we're just gonna use the pre-scored lines and just fold this over and stick that on top of the front cover. All right, so now that that's ready to go, we're gonna wait for this to heat up and then we'll pop it in. The light stopped flashing and it beeped at me, so I know it's ready to go. I've got my spine on, so we're going to put this in with the spine down and you're gonna push it through the plastic guides and all the way down onto the flat metal surface at the bottom and then press timer. All right, now that that's beeped and it's stopped flashing, it is done, and I'm gonna place that back here in the cooling rack and let it cool for 5 minutes. Well, now that it's cooled for 5 minutes, the book is finished and all ready to go, and I am so excited to make some fun projects like journals, photo books, and recipe books. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Allie for We Are Makers.